Hi everyone! We love fried chicken, nuggets, french fries, burger. But did you know that too much oil and fatty foods are not good for our health? This past few months, while we having our quarantine, we are enjoying fried food, and I noticed that we are having more fried food than the usual. So I thought of preparing dishes that could be more healthier, and that's why I decided to get an air fryer. So today we'll unbox an air fryer that I bought on Shopee. I think this was I got it during the 10/10 brand sale, and it's from China, I think. And I got it at 1,500. I think I'll put the link below of the shop if you're interested to check it out. But today I'll just unbox this. We'll check what's inside the air fryer kit, and I'll also share some dishes that you can cook. We'll try this one if it's good, it's working well, and maybe we can make more delicious healthy food with this air fryer. So come on, let's do the unboxing. It was delivered a few days, about a week, I think, about a week after I made my purchase. So inside we have here the manuals. We have the manuals. The manuals are written in no sub-English or English version for the. I'll go on stand. Okay. This inside we have the air fryer. Yeah. Just bring this down here. So there's seal over here, those on both sides. It has a knob here for the temperature, and this is for the timer. Maximum is 30 minutes, and for the temperature is up to 200 degrees centigrade. Plug, medyo maiksi yung plug. And you need adapter for this one. Now let's open. Where you will put your food, and then you can regulate it using the recipes, kung Chinese, so mabasa, but maybe, si Happy, mabasa niya itong recipe. Okay, so this is our air fryer. It comes with this recipe booklet na Chinese ang kanyang language. Alright, we have the manuals, dalawa. Okay, and this is the air fryer itself. We have two knobs. This is for the temperature up to 200 degrees centigrade and for the timer. I think usually mga dishes is like few minutes lang, no? So based on my research, the air fryer works as a convection oven. So this is parang smaller version of your oven. You can cook in small batches of like French fries, wings, yung fried wings, fried chicken, lechong kawali. Okay, so if you have other recipes na try using your air fryer, please comment and I will be glad to try it as well. Okay, so this is the pan where you can put the food and just insert it inside and then push. So hindi ko ma-push because I'm using my stand. Alright, hold down. Okay, that's it. Okay, sa likod, we'll just take a look. There's a vent here, air vent. So make sure na pag nilagay mo siya sa iyong kitchen, sa kitchen counter, there's space for the air movement. Okay, so that's it, our air fryer, and we're gonna try this and make some healthy meals. Hopefully it will last a long time, and I hope I'll be gonna make good dishes and healthy meals using this air fryer. Again, I got it at around 1,500 in Shopee during the sale, and it's on free delivery. Oh yeah, I think it's free delivery. I'll put the link below so you can check out their shop and order if you want. Okay, that's it. Let's cook now. So we'll just preheat the air fryer before we use it. Siguro like 80. Iinitin lang naman
natin. Okay, and like 3. Ooh, yun na, limit siya. Ba't walang pila? Yun. Hindi ko lang parang clear nito. Nakasan natin. We're just preheating our air fryer. Hindi pa natin siya mag-heat. For 30 minutes at 180 degrees. So dito or 360. So okay, for 30 minutes. Okay. Nag-glides na. Kanina kasi ito nag-glides because nasa less than 80 lang ako. Let's check this out. Balikan natin in 30 minutes. Okay, trying my new air fryer. And I'm cooking lechon kawali for lunch at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Tumunog ang ating ting. So let's check our pork belly. Wow. That. Gusto ko siya na mas brown. Mas gusto ko pa siyang brown. So mga 15 minutes. Tapos yung oil. Hindi na lalaw ang oil sa
street foods, meatballs, kikiam, and kikiam balls from Bayani Line. Kenny using air fryer. At meron din palang Shanghai.